YouTube video. Okay, a picture. Oh my god, look at you. I've got it at night now. It's getting too dark. Oh my god, it's gonna be. No. Right, I'm gonna do video. Oh my god, guys, it's gonna be dark when we get home. Hello? It's gonna be dark when we get home, Alex. I'm good, Trisha. And she's taking me home. And I'm supposed to be there at 4, and it's like 4:15 already, and we're still in Tenby. It's not 4:15, it's only just 4-ish. No, it's not. What the hell's wrong with the clock on my phone? 2 minutes past 6, Kitty. It was 2 minutes. Where the hell are we going? Oh my god, we're going back to school! Oh my god, where the hell are we going? Oh my god, look, it's 12 minutes past 12. Oh my god, we haven't even left the goal playing that. Oh my god, Kitty, it's 4:15, we're going back to school. Oh my god! These Pembroke right now. It should be illegal! Oh my god, Alex, why are we going back to school? I don't know, but this is so funny. Oh my god! Oh my god, we're going back to school! This is so funny! I was going to say Flourish, because that was clearly unflooded, because the bus came back. Yeah, exactly. Unless the bus still had kids on it, which is what it is. No, Morgan would have said that. Exactly. Emily hasn't texted me back. Hint, hint! What about Emily? Oh, yeah. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm going to do Pinocchio. I do, I'm going to watch you, and I will get tickets tonight, and I'm going to be like, oh, they're running out. Where are we going? We're going back to school. We're going left. Oh, phew, we are not going back to school. Phew. Oh my god, we're going to... Oh my god, it's Josh's house! It's Josh's house! Are we going to school? Josh, I'm sending him a mental link. Look out the window. We're going to Pembroke Dock. Look out the window, you idiot. We're going to Pembroke Dock. Why? I think. Are we going to Pembroke Dock? Are we going to Pembroke Dock? Yeah.
Jameson is kind of a bad location, isn't it?
Oh my god, Jameson! Hey, your man in there as well, look!
Yeah, it's in a place where it gets cut off. Yeah, it's in a place where it gets cut off.
St. Lawrence bus has already come back. It stopped 7 off and come back. I'm not sorry for the people who got off in Valley. They're like, they missed out on all this. Yeah, it's got people got off there. Okay. Oh my god, Alex! What's the time now? I want to go home. What's the time? Almost 15:15. Oh my god, it's really 15:15. We're not even out of school yet.
Here we are, we've like...
Okay, but we're out of school.
We've been stuck in Penally for ages, and now we've come back, and what the hell is going on?
I don't know, but we're not really out of school, are we?
We're like just outside school, Tenby.
We're in Tenby still, love. I feel like crying. I'm that emotional right now. I want to be home.
Mummy.
I should have been able to walk Sprinkle by now. I want to go home. Oh my god, we should get paid. Should we get paid to be have sponsors? We should like say, "Hi, Dad, it's magical." No, Dad, it's magical, just like that. No, okay. Oh my god, who's that? I don't know who it is, but I waved to them. Oh, that's me. It was Miller. Oh my god. Oh my god, where did you go? I know. Time track. I never realised that before. I haven't you. Where are we going now? Oh wait guys, this is where the buses go. This is where the buses are kept.
Oh my god, they're going to the main bus place.
Oh my god, what happens if we are?
We are. We obviously are.
Because it's like the cottage hospital and that's this is where the bus port sits. Yeah.
Oh my god.
god, are we going on like a higher bus? Maybe we're going on smaller buses because we're going to be able to get through or something. Oh my god, what the hell is happening?
Oh, no, it's probably getting up to Snowdon and around, like.
Don't talk about Snowdon to me. We thought we were lost. We weren't meant to go through Snowdonia. We saw Snowdonia, fine. We all freaked. This is when I went to, what's it called? Yorkshire. And I went to York, saw Snowdon sign, and we were like, oh my god, we've gone the wrong way, guys. Yeah, the driver said, went, what is that? What is that? It was so funny.
Oh my god. It goes funny in guys.
Oh my god. What is that?
What are you doing with your phone?
I'm filming, love.
Yeah, I can see your mic.
Oh my god, no, why are we going to...
Hey, Alex,
Oh my god, no, why though?
Oh my god, this is so gay.
Alex. Oh my god. Look, the other bus is already sat. We might not be getting high bus. Oh my god, we're so cooked.
We're getting them. I think we're getting.
Oh my god.
Are we getting high?
I don't know. They're talking to the main still cooked guys.
Oh my god, let's get off quick.
I'm still filming.
I need to make sure what the hell, kidding? What? She said, what did she say? People need the toilet.
Oh.
Do you need the toilet?
No.
Yep.
What is it?
Only people that need the toilet.
Alright, ow. Stay on.
I'll go back to sleep. Good night. Yeah. I want to know what's happening.
No, I want to know what's happening. Why can't they tell us?
God's sake.
What?
Really annoyed. I want to go
No,
home.
I want to be at home right now.
For fuck's sake.
Calm down now. Guys, have you realised there's only people that I know left on the bus?
I feel sorry for her, and this is the one day she isn't on the bus.
I know!
Oh my god, let's go out and talk to Holly.
Guys, see out there. I don't want to get off of. Go like half off. Oh my god, what the hell's happening?
We're not allowed to go through Piccadilly because there's a BMW stuck in the middle of it.
Yeah.
We can't go through Rylands because...
Why can't we go through St. Lawrence?
It'll be more flooded. It'll be more flooded there, and it will be right here.
St. Lawrence bus has already come back.
Guys, I think we might be going... We're going through Piccadilly. Yeah.
Oh my god. Let's go, guys. Oh my god. I just want to get home. Oh my god. Alex, I need to stop this again because it's at 10 minutes pretty much. Right, I'm stopping.